Hey, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke with a quick weather update for you. The rain continues to just beat down out there, and our totals are going up, and we're likely going to see more problems, especially this evening when the rivers could start to swell again, and this rain just continues, and we're just going to see more ponding on the road. So if you can travel early, travel early. Rush hour could be really, really messy today. Here's what it looks like out there right now. You can see the heavy rain coming down, 60 degrees. It is so mild out right now, and our southwest winds, of course, are blowing to help bring in the warmer air, and we're going to continue to see those winds blow too. I'll talk more about that wind advisory in a second, but look at the rain totals so far, nearing an inch now in Portland, and then you drop it to a quarter of an inch or so as you drop farther south, and then of course up in Astoria, almost an inch and a half at this point. So here's where the showers are right now. You can see they've set up really across northwest Oregon, southwest Washington, not really budging, and that's going to be the problem because we're going to see these heavy showers continuing to develop over the same places to continue to get those rain totals up. I'll show you what the latest tracking is. Watch this closely. So this is starting at 2 o'clock, and as you continue on, you can see the heavy rain continues to remain pretty much over the same spots. As we go towards the 6:30 hour, again, a little bit of a break across parts of the valley, but some of us just still getting moderately heavy to even heavy rain. Approaching midnight, we continue to see the showers draped over that same area, and then finally by tomorrow morning, we start to see it push out to get some relief. But by then, we could be talking some really yucky conditions on the roads, and it may be even worse than what we had to deal with yesterday. Strong winds too. Wind advisories in effect until 4 a.m. South winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40, perhaps even up near 45 miles an hour for some of us, and then stronger winds for the coast and the Cascades, where we have high wind warnings gusting to 55 miles an hour for the coast. That until 4 a.m. For the Cascades, because you're at higher elevation, we can see those winds gusting up to 75 miles an hour. That's hurricane strength, so power outages could be a problem for some of us too. And then of course flood watches and flood warnings continue through tonight, and then that flood watch goes until Thursday as we have yet another system behind this one. But this one is just moving so slow that it is just creating a lot of problems. And again, this is just the beginning of that rain for us here, for many of us in the metro and the valley. So it's likely going to get worse this evening. So be careful out there. I'll continue to have these updates for you from the Weather Center here. And of course, on air, we're doing cut-ins every half hour. So tune in and take care.